5 best states to retire in 2023. Number 5, it's Idaho. Idaho is a great state for retirees who are looking for a beautiful, affordable, and tax-friendly place to live. The cost of living in Idaho is lower compared to many other states, and there's no state income tax on Social Security benefits or retirement income. Number 4 is Tennessee. Tennessee is a great place for those who enjoy the laid-back lifestyle. There are plenty of outdoor activities and relatively low cost of living. Number 3 is Texas. Texas has a cost of living that is about 10% lower than the national average. Texas does not tax on Social Security income or retirement income, which can save you a significant amount of money for your retirement. Number 2, it's Arizona. Arizona has many beautiful landscapes, including the Grand Canyon. The state also has no state income tax, which means you don't have to pay state income tax on your 401k withdrawals or Social Security benefits. And the number 1 best state to retire in 2023 is Florida. Florida has the highest percentage of residents who are retired in the nation. It is one of many states that have no inheritance tax or estate tax, and Florida also known for its amazing weather and beautiful beaches.